take the length out. Plug it up a little bit. Never had
Come on, you're on camera.
Yeah. All over Facebook. No different baby. Look near that one.
Isn't it cute? It's the cutest little thing. When he walks like the dog show dogs, like when he's on his own with no leash.
And this is wrapped around the body, and the more he pulls, the tighter it gets. I'll pinch it little ear.
Oh.
This one, buddy, because you know he did do the dirty work. But that's the skinny.
I appreciate knowing that.
There's Libby with Reggie back there. Oh, he's peeing.
Yeah.
Brad, watch out, her paw.
There you go. Wants to run like the sun. Ready?
They can beat another ball.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
He much more going on today than golf outing.
Like a very young driver to me.
Don't take my picture, Randy.
Take it. Take 10 of them.
You hit a golf ball, and that dog will go get it.
Okay.
You may never see it again.
Is
though.
Natalie walking today?
Sure. So I had to grab my nails.
Okay.
Too busy watching what's going on, aren't you?
They say they're not going to get any until Monday, so I'm like out. So I just wanted to. Yeah, because he gave me a card to get it free for a year.
Had the tongues hanging out, didn't they?
Walmart said they order up.
Start stopping if you don't go. Come back.
Don't kill me. Just have it for a second.
Yeah.
I was like,
Oh, he's like, let's go get it. The leash doesn't break.
So we know what Sam means for Christmas, don't we?
His son, who's going to college down in Kentucky, come up there and
I don't think it'll take much for him to calm down a little bit.
I didn't get in on any of the work, but I got to see her kids. But anyway, the son and daughter-in-law. She prescribed something for me. She thought it was like fungal. Well, finally I thought, you know what? I'm going. And my doctor told me to do it.
Randy, I think we're the grand finale here.
All right.
Me and the stately ladies.
There you go.
And I'm talking about the dogs, not the ladies. I can get away with it because it's my mama.
Am I the what?
The caboose.
The caboose? I hope so. I hope so.